I got some good news for you.
What?
You're not gonna die. Welcome everyone. I'm Coach Adam from Tiburon Swim Academy, and this is Splash of Confidence. Over the years, I've learned that understanding the personality types of each swimmer can help unlock their potential. Recognizing how their behavior patterns is affecting their learning can help us tailor each lesson to their needs and get them to do their best. So today's swimmer is going to be Owen. He's 6 years old. He's an irrationally anxious swimmer, and he struggles to put his face in the water.
He's been swimming since he was around 2, or going to weekly swim lessons since he's around 2, but he can't swim independently.
He's been swimming for 4 years. And he cannot go underwater. This alone is irrational.
I don't want to go underwater.
Tell me why.
He's at Little Flippers. He's been in group lessons there in the level 1 class for a few years now, and not moving up.
Nothing happened, bro. You did it. Nothing happened. You did it. You're all done. So this is our first day in the pool together. I'm going to get to know his personality type, build a relationship, and then I'll test his anxieties and his fears. With this information, it'll help me build a plan for the week. All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Close it. Let me see. Let me see. Did you drink it? Blow your nose.
No.
Blow it out. Yeah. Do it again.
Do you like to swim?
Yeah. But my sister Abel has Crocs too, and they have cherries on it.
Are you okay?
Not really.
Why? What happened?
I got water in my eye.
Oh no. You got extra eyes at home?
Not really. It might get in my nose too.
And what happens if it goes in your nose?
It kind of hurts.
Okay. That's it? That's easy fixins, dude. If it goes in your nose, that's your fault. That means you suck it up your nose. And if it goes in your eyes, wear goggles. Check. Boom, you're swimming.
I'm gonna sink.
You're gonna sink?
Yeah.
Okay, and what happens if you sink?
I won't be able to breathe.
You won't be able to breathe?
Yeah.
Alright. And what happens if you can't breathe?
And I think I'll die.
Alright. So you think if you get stuck in the water that you're gonna get trapped, you're gonna get stuck, then you can't breathe, then you're gonna die.
Yeah.
So that's why you can't swim, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I got some good news for you.
What?
You're not gonna die. Alright, come on, let's go. Too late.
He's also clever, and I think has figured out when they start to push him that he tells them that he needs to go use the potty.
I think you're trying to trick me. You gotta pee like really bad? Do it!
I need to use the bathroom right now. Oh, I need to go to the bathroom again. Because I need to go poop.
No poops, bro. You're not gonna poop yourself, are you?
Yeah.
You just don't want to put your face in the water. You don't want to go under the water.
So for day 2, with an irrationally anxious swimmer, we want to reduce the anxiety by going fast, creating a lot of repetitions, and shortening the time between asking and completing a skill. Sometimes coaching an irrationally anxious swimmer requires an irrational coach, and sometimes a bit of trickery is necessary. See this hand here?
Yeah.
You see it? Watch this. Oh, you're like a little pet monkey. Where you going, bro? Come back with me. We're just chilling. No, leave the feet. 1, 2, 3. Close it. Good job. So here on day 2, we're going to look for those recognizable behavior patterns. As you can see here, Owen jumps across without even putting his goggles on. You could recall back on day 1, he was crying with just the water touching his eye. This change in behavior tells me 2 things. 1, the water in the eye was never the issue and it created the irrational behavior. And number 2, that we're in the right direction and we'll have a comfortable swimmer soon. High five. I just flung poo everywhere. Alright, come tell me why. Stop holding the stuffs, bro. No, you don't. So here's Owen's day 3. For most swimmers, especially anxious swimmers, day 3 is the hardest. We're swimming more than they've ever swam before in the past 2 days. We've created the most anticipation for our 3rd lesson. They will come in and they usually will fight the most. Get your feet up. Get your... You didn't even try, bro. Put your goggles on, because I'm going to put you in again if you don't. If you don't, I'm going to put you in again, bro. All right, game time. Don't hold my pinky. Go, we're not going to get out until you try it, bro. Right here, go.
I did it.
Oh, so I was telling you the whole time that you can do it. You didn't believe me?
I don't want to do it.
Well, then do it right then. Then just do it right. I will hold you. I will hold you. I will hold you if you sit still, bro. Go, one. It's not deep. You just did it. 1, 2, 3. Go forward. Get up.
You did it.
What'd you say?
I did it. Activated turbo boost.
Go! Slowest turbo boost of all time. Swim, swim, face in, kicks, kicks. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving all the way up. Nice job. High five. Why don't you just walk over? You got this, bro. You got this. You could do this. Although you're a swimmer, you're still a bit nervous. We made it to day 4. This means we got over our anxiety hurdle. Our swimmer's gonna come in tentative but ready to go. As you can see here, we have a swimmer.
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Now I need to introduce a new anxiety point. This will help with a few things. For anxious swimmers, being uncomfortable is part of the learning journey. I'm gonna have to let you go. Come on. Introducing a new anxiety point will help them be comfortable in their previous anxiety point and allow them to learn that skill. Put your head back.
No!
Well then stay on your back for 3 seconds, dude. Alright, go over there. Alright. Why can't you float? Why can't you float? Why not? Why not? Yeah, say it. I just don't wanna. Say it. Say it.
I just know.
Exactly. So you can float. You're just choosing not to float. Why do you have to make this so difficult? You'll see here in the last day where he comes right in. He wants to swim. He's a squid. You're about to do some back floats.
I don't want to do that.
I don't want to do it either.
No!
All right, let's just do a back float then. We'll just do a back float then.
This is much better.
I thought it was really funny how at first he didn't want to swim with his face under the water. Then he discovered he disliked the back float even more.
So using the back float to have something to be anxious about literally pushes the swim to something that he wants to do. 3 seconds. You could do 3 seconds. You could do it. Everybody could do it.
1, 2, 3.
No, that's not how you do it. You're holding both my elbows with a death grip, bro. Head back. No, stop moving until you get to 5, bro.
You know, he definitely was fighting you on some stuff, but you got him to do it. You know, you got him to swim with his face under the water.
Your deal, but you got to back up for 5 seconds. Think you heard that? I don't know. Yeah, he did. You're floating, you're floating, you're floating, you're floating by yourself. Aha, you did it. Kick, 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 turn, 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 head back, head back, head back, head back, head back, head back. Yeah, that's because he can swim now. He was saying yesterday, he's like, I'll just swim now. We can just skip the backflips. You're a fish now, dude. You did a great job in there.